Did you know there's a Bible story where an axe head floated? Here's how it happened. One day, a group of men was cutting trees near the Jordan River. Suddenly, one man's axe head flew off and sank into the water. He panicked and said, "Oh no, it wasn't mine, it was borrowed." Elisha the prophet asked, "Where did it fall?" The man pointed to the spot, so Elisha threw a stick into the water, and the iron axe head floated to the surface. This story shows that God cares about even the small problems in our lives. If He can make an axe float, He can help you too. A miracle with a borrowed axe, proof that nothing is too small for God to handle.